Everybody, you know something. I lost 2 teeth. Everybody, hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, can you hit the like button, please? Now let's get started with the video. So, I'm gonna tell you stuff that's very important. Just kidding. But I'm gonna tell you stories. Okay. So I'm gonna tell you the 3 little pigs. Once upon a time, there was 3 little pigs. Then a wolf came there to build houses. Then, then the wolf tried to blow each house down, but no, all of the houses didn't survive. Both, also, one made out of sticks, one made out of hay, but it still couldn't work. So then the guy, so then the brick house was the most strong. Then they burned the wolf in the chimney. The end.